Good morning students, welcome back to Alchemy online classes. Yesterday we have completed adjectives and today we are going to start up with a creative writing and the topic for the day is notice writing. I know you have already studied notice writing in your 6th and 5th standard, but today we are going to study in detail the characteristics, which are the points you have to remember while writing the notice. All these things we will discuss one by one. Here we go. We will understand all these things. What is a notice writing? Characteristics, types of notices, format, tips for writing a notice, sample. So we are going to discuss all these things one by one. Okay. Now what is a notice? A notice is an official mode of announcement. Its function is to publicize or present information to a particular group of people. It is normally intended to be fixed on a specific display boards, whether in schools or in public places. That means what? It is a mode of sending message. It is displayed on the notice board where each and everyone can see it. Clear? In short, we will see. In short, it is a written or a printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. That means what? It is printed or handwritten way of giving or sending the messages to a particular group of people. Clear? You might have seen the notice boards are displayed in our school whereby the notice is kept whatever the upcoming event is going to be held. Clear? So that is called it as a notice board and on which we are placing the notice so that each and everyone in the class can see it. Now let us see the characteristics of a notice writing. Short piece of writing. As I have said you, it is a short piece of writing. It may be 5 or 6 marks. Clear? Formal in style, you have to use a formal language here. Make information mostly pinned or pasted on the notice board. You have to give the information in detail whatever you want to say. And it should be pinned or pasted on the notice board so that each and everyone can see it. Okay. Next. Format. Now what is the proper format for notice writing? Here we go. Placed within a box. As we all know that notice writing should be written in a box. Clear? Name of an institution or an organization. This is compulsory here. You have to write the name of the institution or the organization. Then next one, use of the word notice. After writing this name of the institution and organization, you have to mention notice. It should be highlighted. Clear? Date of issue, when you have issued the notice, that date should come here. Name and the designation of a issued authority, who has issued this notice. So there should be a signature of that particular person as well as a designation. Clear? Let us move on further. Tips on how to write a notice. Now we will see few tips how to write a notice. First one, plan out your notice in a rough working space. You have to plan out your notice properly. Which are the things you are going to mention? You have to note it down first. Second one, write the notice within the stipulated word limit 50 words. As I said you, it is a short writing skill. So you have to follow the word limit. That is up to 50 words. Clear? Third one, make it visible, appealing within a suitable heading and catchy phrases. You have to write in such a way that it should be attractive and the heading should be visible to each and everyone. Clear? Number 4, write the date of issue. You have to mention the date of issue, that when you have issued that particular notice. Clear? So you have to make a note of all this. Let us move on further. Number 5, write other relevant details like time, date, venue, what is about, who can participate and so on. In the notice writing, you have to mention all these things. Which are the things? Time, date, venue, what is about, who can participate. You have to mention each and everything in it. Clear? Number 6, put it in a box. So don't forget to put it into a box. Okay? Let's move on to the next slide. Points to remember. Which are the points you have to remember while you are writing a notice? Use capital letters for details such as name of the organization. You have to use a capital letters for mentioning the name of the organization or an institution. Clear? Number 2, date can be placed at the top left side hand corner. That means the date should come on the left hand side of the corner. Number third, always put the entire content in a box. You have to put everything in a box. Till the date, designation, everything is completed. At the end, the designation post, that means post, the signature of that person, everything is completed. You have to frame a proper box. Clear? Number four, the tone must be formal. As I said you, it is a formal way of writing. Clear? Number 5. Put the name of the individual issued the notice below his or her signature followed by designation. You have to put on the signature, then that name of that particular person who has written that notice. Clear? And the designation. Clear? Let us see the next one. Abbreviations and symbols can also be used. You can use the abbreviations, that means the short forms of the words. Number 7. The message is to be conveyed using clear and a simple language. The language which you are using in the notice, that should be simple and clear and easy to understand. Clear? The 5 W's. You have to remember this 5 W's. Now what are these 5 W's? Let us see in detail. What is going to happen? That is the event. You have to mention what is the event, what is going to take place. Clear? Second one, where it will take place. The place you have to mention. Third one, when it will take place. That is the time and the date. You have to mention the time and the date when it is going to be held. Number 4, who can apply or is eligible for it. You have to mention who can apply for the particular event and who is eligible for it. Clear? Fifth one, whom to contact or apply. You have to mention to whom you have to contact. If you want to participate, to whom you have to give your names and all. Clear? So that is issuing authority. That means to whom you have to go and contact for more information. I hope these 5 W's are clear to you. Let us discuss one thing once again. What is going to happen? Where it will take place? What is going to happen? Where it will take place? Then when it will take place? Who can apply? Then whom to contact. So you have to remember this 5 W's. Okay. Let us move to next slide. Now this is the proper format of a notice writing. Let us see in detail. See, first box, it is mentioning that the name of the organization or an institution, that should come in a capital. Clear? We have already seen. Second comes notice. You have to write the word notice, that should be highlighted. Then comes the date on the left hand side. Then comes the heading about what you are writing. What is the event? You have to mention the event here. Then content. In this content you have to mention 5 W's. We have discussed the 5 W's. Okay. Then comes the signature, name and the designation. So this is the proper format. You have to follow it. If you have forgotten to write this notice word, then also marks will be deducted. So be very careful and you have to follow this format only. Okay, let us move on to the next slide. Here we will discuss one sample so that it is easy to understand for you. You are Suresh or Sita, the president of your school. Write a notice for the cultural program to be held in your school. Give details of the date, venue, time and items to be held. Now, as if you are a girl or a boy, that is up to you how you are using your example. Like boys will write the Suresh and girls will use the word Sita. Clear? So you are the president of your school and you have to draft a notice. The notice topic is cultural program and you have to mention all these things. The date, venue and which are the items to be presented, the timing and all you have to mention. Let us see. See here, you have to put it in a box. As I said you, I have made a box which you can see it. Name of the institution. If the institution name is not given, it's okay. You can write your institution name. Then comes the notice, that is capital. It is highlighted. Then comes the date. You have to write 12 November 2020. Clear? The date should be written in this way. Then comes the heading. What is the heading here? Cultural program. Clear? Now see, we will start with the content. The cultural committee of our school is organizing a cultural program which will be held in the school premises on November 25 from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Several folk dances, folk music and regional programs will be presented on the occasion. Students are requested to register their names in the office latest by November 15th. For more information, please contact the undersigned Sita. As I'm a girl, I have used this word Sita here. Then the name, signature, name, and the post. That means the designation, President Cultural Committee. And finally, you have to make it a box. Now, in this, I have mentioned everything. What I have mentioned about what you are talking. That I have mentioned here, cultural program in our school, which is going to be held on 25th of November. Timing also I have mentioned 6 to 8 p.m. And many things, regional programs, cultural programs are going to be present. I have written those things also. And by last November of 15, you have to register your names in the office. And for more information, you have to contact to Sita. I have given everything in this. So in this way, you have to write one notice as a homework. Here we go for the homework. So this is your question. Note it down in the book. You have to frame a notice for this. Clear? You are the secretary of an activity club in your school. The annual day program is to be held next month. Write a notice for the school display board. Now in this also you have to mention all the things in detail. That W5, keep in mind you have to mention W5 is clear. And you have to mention each and everything, time, date, venue, everything, the person who is eligible to participate in this. Clear? You have to mention all these things. For extra content, please refer Extra Mark and Diksha app where you can get the whole topic. Thank you.